Hello everybody, let's celebrate because Anansi-Man just win $1 million from Supligen. Well, not yet, but I am manifesting. This is my entry for the Supligen challenge. Now, 3 days you have to hold on to the Supligen Cup for, and the winner will get $1 million. They asking me, why do my team deserve to be in the competition? First of all, my team consists of 3 superhuman beings. Myself and 2 more others that you need to see, and we will win. It's not even a question. So how can you not invite the winners? That's my question. So make sure you tag Supligen in the comment section and let's do this, because I will win. Me not leave Portland come all the way to Kingston for not win. So if me need to sleep out that door, me I gotta do it. My team will bring the vibe, and whatever challenges we face, we will dominate. So make sure you tag Supligen below and tell me if you think me I go win. Well, me know me I go win.